If you are having cough which is not getting better, which or you feel that you are feeling breathless, you must consult a doctor. These are the immediate effects. And one of the major reason why I'm saying this is because these are the early signs that the pollution has started affecting you. Not everyone will suffer. You may feel a little suffocated. Your exercise tolerance may go down. If you are running, you may not be able to run that much. So these are all the signs that the air pollution exists. Keep on seeing AQI and don't go out to exercise if you have that.